Hello, in this video I'm going to show the speed up tricks on the OPPO Find X8. Alright, so let's begin. Let's open up our device and let's open up our settings first. So we'll start with the developer settings actually, and a few things that we can select and change in the developer options. So first, to get access to developer settings, open up normal settings, scroll down, find about device. Now click on the status and in here, sorry, not the status, my bad. Click on the version and now we need to tap on the version number a few times until we will see on the screen that we are a developer. Okay, now I need to draw my lock screen to confirm, and we can see now that we are a developer. Now go back, click on system and update, and here we have the developer options. And now we need to scroll down until we find specific options, and now let me show you which one. Alright, here they are. It's window animation scale, transition animation scale, and the animator duration scale. As you can see, currently they are set on 1x defaultly, but to improve the speed and the performance of our device, we can select each three of those options on 0.5 or on off. It can be anything, but it must be below 1x, so or 0.5 or off. It's completely up to you. So let's say I'll select it on off, everything on off. Okay, each of those three options, just like that, boom, now it's selected. And now we need to scroll down also, and we have one thing that we can also change. Find the apps, and now we have the background process limit. Now it's on the standard option, but we can select it on at most 3 or at most 4. And that's all that we need to do in the developer settings. And now we can go back from here, and now we can open up the apps, click on app management, and in here simply, if you have some of the apps that you are not currently using, or you are using them rarely, simply you can uninstall them from here. So let's say we have the Netflix selected, simply you can click on uninstall right in here, and you can uninstall app, or also you can click on storage usage, and you can click on clear cache. So let's click on uninstall, but first I need to unlock it because it's in the app lock. So I need to unlock it actually, okay, and now I'm able to uninstall the app. So actually I won't do it yet, but you can also do it from the home screen simply. You can hold on the icon and you can uninstall it by clicking right in here. Alright, so now when it comes to the apps, simply uninstall those apps that you are not using, because thanks to that, if you uninstall the app, you'll get some free storage space, and it might help with the performance of your device. And it might start working better and faster. Alright, now we can go back. Also, let me see that under the battery, in here, if you click on the battery mode, we have a list of possible options, possible modes, and on the top we have the high performance mode. You can see how long it's gonna last, so 1 day, 8 hours and 23 minutes. It maximizes the system performance, but also increases power usage and might cause your device to heat up. So if you want to boost the speed of your device and you want it to work as fast as possible, you should use the high performance mode, but you should avoid using it for too much time, because just like we have read, the device may heat up, and you know, overheating your device and your battery is not the best thing, and we should avoid that. So I would say we should use it from time to time, but of course everything is up to you. You're doing everything on your own. Alright, so that's what we can select, but for now I'll leave the balance mode. Also, I'm wondering what's more. Alright, I know. We can now open up the phone manager right in here, and in here, as you can see, we have a possibility to optimize our device. Simply click in here, and now the process has started, as you can see. Let's wait until it's finished. Alright, boom, it's done, everything is fine. We can click on done, but we can also perform the storage cleanup. Click on go. Right in here now we have a possibility to clean some junk files. Click clean right in here, boom, and we get some free storage space, almost 100 megabytes. Okay, so now we can go back once more, and we can also click on the system boost, and we can see that 300 megabytes can be freed up. Click on boost now. Alright, boom, everything is fine. You can add those things into the home screen. Now as you take a look, I don't know where they are. Okay, here they are. On the right side you can quickly get access to that phone manager features. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.